Opening a salon is one of the most exciting moments in your career.
But it also comes with a long list of decisions that you have to get right.
Here at Minerva Beauty, we believe that you shouldn't have to figure it out alone. That's why we're here to guide you through every step. Our customer service team is here to answer any questions, provide support, and address any concerns that may come up over time.
Behind the scenes, we make sure everything is running smoothly so that you don't have to. You receive real support from real people. Working directly from our warehouse and showroom here in Monroe, Georgia. Beyond finding the right fit, we focus on solutions, helping you choose equipment that works for your clients, services, and space.
We understand that every salon is unique.
That's why we're prepared to guide you through our full range of equipment to help you find the perfect balance of service capability and ergonomics.
Whether that means test fitting a part before we sell it to you to make sure it fits your individual needs, or catching an order before it ships to make that last-minute change, wherever we can go the extra mile, we're happy to. We've developed strong relationships with our carriers and local representatives so that if any shipping issues do arise, we can step in right away.
The safe arrival of your equipment is our top priority. We want you to feel confident in every decision you make. We're happy to collaborate with your plumbers, contractors, or your designers and provide guidance based on our hands-on experience with installation, performance, product specifications, and all common questions.
Our customer service team truly cares. We strive to see everything from your perspective. While we're guided by clear policies, we thoughtfully consider each situation to make sure that you're getting the best possible outcome. Here at Minerva, we want you and your salon space to thrive, because if you're happy, we're happy.